welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and do a Boxy Charm try on for the month of September. I just did a unboxing, so I wanted to do a try on with the 5 products that I received. So the first product that I use, the Recovery Sleeping Mask by Dr. Brandt. And what you're supposed to do is cleanse your face and put it on overnight, sleep in it, and wake up and you should be refreshed. So this is me, bare face, no makeup. I do have blemishes, but and you can see all my freckles and sunspots and stuff. But this product here, so I did have some like breakouts and some red spots around. I put this on last night, and you just need a little bit. A little bit goes a long ways. You just put like a dime size on your finger. I rubbed it in, put it all over, slept in it, woke up, and my face was so clear. Like, it minimized the redness of all of my blemishes that I had. So I'm definitely loving this. I'm excited to keep using it. Yeah, so I did that last night. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the rest of the products that I received in my Boxy Charm box. First thing I'm gonna do is use my Violet Voss palette, and I'm gonna be using the Moda brushes that I received in the box. So I'm not sure exactly what look I'm going for right now, so we will see. Go ahead and go in with this sand color.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold.
This color here.
Darkest days, the summer's calling.
So now I'm gonna go in with this color here, which is Terracotta. Go ahead and go in with this gold right here.
the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone.
Now I'm gonna go in with the cinnamon color under my eye.
The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this cream color and put it on my inner eyes. Just to brighten them up. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Hank and Henry eyeliner.
We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold.
I'm gonna go in. This one kind of looks a little bit longer than this one, but that's okay. I normally don't do my eyeliner, but so now I'm gonna go in with my $1 billion brows.
Darkest day, the summer's calling.
Okay. It honestly feels like it dried out already. Okay. Maybe I just had to shake it. Yeah, it's barely coming out. Yeah, it's like dried out. Okay. Well, I would put on some eyelashes, but I'm just doing a try on for the box. I just kind of wanted to use the products that I had in the box. So this is the look. So this is the look. Hope you enjoyed it. It's like a gold copper feel, cinnamony. I like it. Came out really good. I think it'd probably come out better if I had like a eye primer on, which I plan on doing, but just for the sake of the video, I wanted just to use the products that I received in the box.
And we watch our dreams appear. I know that we can